guys, in today's video I have for you all here some starry string lights. You may also know this as fairy lights, and these were sent to me from the guys over at Vont. So what we're going to do is we're going to be testing these out and let's see how they work. So guys, I just plugged on the light, and before I finish unwrap it, let me just put it on and let's see how it's working. So I'm gonna press once, and I can see that it's lighting, but I guess you wouldn't see it. If you watch there on the card, you can see it. So one to put on, one's to take off. That's the only feature it has. So I'm gonna unwrap these so we can use it to decorate. So guys, in a previous video you would have seen me put together my Christmas tree, and here I have my nativity set. I'm gonna use these lights to help me accentuate this nativity set.
Oh, Christmas.
Okay guys, I took the lights off, so let's put this on and let's see how pretty it looks. Wow! Is it pretty? Look how pretty that looks. It's perfect. It's perfect for the Christmas tree. The baby agrees. It's perfect for the Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Now these lights are really great. You can even place them on your window so it looks like really nice and starry, but I think it's perfect right here for me for my manger. So guys, if you're interested in this item, the information to purchase will be down in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all check it out, enjoy it. It's really pretty for this Christmas. It feels like little fairies, like, you know, flying around. That is what it looks like. So I hope you definitely check it out. I'm just gonna fix this a little bit neater, but I love it, love it, love it. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.